how to apply an auto-cropping effect to a graphic or text surrounded by solid colors or alpha transparency, such as that from a PNG image file in DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. This effect can also be applied to video files if the main graphic or text is in a static position. Please bear in mind that the auto-crop effect cannot be applied to mixed color gradient surroundings. Inside your project's edit window, holding Ctrl and press I to insert an image file into your media pool master bin. Use Command instead of Ctrl if you are a Mac user. Click on the thumbnail of your media file and drag this to your edit timeline. Right-click on your media edit and go to Open in Fusion page. With Media in 1 selected in your Node section, hold and Shift and press Space. Using the search box at the bottom of your Select Tool window, go to find the Crop tool. Select this and go to click on Add. With Crop 1 selected, go to Inspector, select Auto Crop and click on the Auto Crop button underneath RGBA. You may notice that although the solid color or transparent section has been removed, the resolution of your remaining media content has been expanded. If we return to the Edit window, I will drag the text edits upwards to video track 2 and we'll go to the Effects library. Under Toolbox and Generators, I will drag a 4-color gradient edit to the timeline to video track 1 directly below the text media clip, illustrating the transparent sections after the auto crop application. Should you wish to modify your cropped edit, with the relevant media clip selected on your edit timeline, go to Inspector and underneath Transform, modify the zoom and position settings. Decreasing the value for zoom X and Y will reduce the size of the media clip. The higher the value for position X, the further to the right the media clip will appear on screen. The higher position Y, the further upwards the media clip will be positioned on your canvas. To return to the default settings, use the rotating arrow reset options to the right of these properties, with Reset All being positioned in the top right corner. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.